Welcome to another episode of Trading with the Banks. I'm your boy Baby Shaq. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this recap of this trade I took. So coming into the market, I saw that we had this big imbalance on the 1 hour time frame. This is usually the time frame that I start out with. So we marked that out. We also had these relatively equal lows, which is used for me as liquidity. So this is the London session pushing down into this imbalance. We can see that the only imbalance left in this push down right here is right here. So I expect a reaction out of that zone. London session goes down, and then we get the break of a high right here, which is the first trade opportunity. So somewhere in here could have been the first buy setup that you could take. We get a push through, we get that reaction at this imbalance, and then we get a rebalancing of this range from this low to this high, sweeping this liquidity, and then we continue to the upside. But I don't really trade London session, although I was up for this. I wasn't supposed to be. So now once the New York session comes in, we have high impact news, which you can see right here. We see that high impact news come into the market right here. So we can see that we get a sweep of these lows right here, and then a break of structure to the upside. And that made me pretty confident we were going to continue up, because we also have the London highs sitting right here that have not been taken yet, and we also have these Asian session highs that have not been taken as well, and then an old high from over here. So this is a lot of liquidity to the buy side that the market can easily look to take, but we could also go lower and take some of this. But I was confident that we were going to continue to the upside because we rebalanced some of this price action in the 1 hour imbalance, as well as we took a lot of liquidity in here as well. So that made me confident that we would continue to the upside. And it looks like we also have a 5-minute demand zone that was untapped over here as well. So I had a few entries in here, but the best one obviously would be at this order block down here with your stop loss below the low, and the first take profit at the London high, and the second take profit at the Asian highs. So seeing what happens next, we kind of chop around. We're in between some supply and some demand, which this is the supply over here that we're kind of tapping into over and over. But ultimately we want to continue up, so price eventually breaks to the upside and hits all TPs, and bam, that's how we do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I also have a free Discord link down in the description below. I also teach one-on-one if you guys would like to pay for that, but I also teach for free. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.